In the previous video, we started using Fragmetric DeFi and explored the Camino protocol from this section. Now I'm gonna show you how to get another multiplier and how to use the yield trading strategy on the Fragmetric DeFi page. I'll be using the RateX protocol, which has a $2.9 million TVL. This will give me a 4x boost to my Fragmetric points farming, along with the additional Dido tokens and RateX points. Let's click on it. Confirm. We need to connect a wallet. I'll connect my backpack wallet, the same one I'm using on Fragmetric, where I have Fragmetric. RateX offers 3 possible strategies to earn additional rewards for Fragmetric. The first one is this. Here you need to purchase YT tokens. For me, this strategy is the riskiest because it depends on the YT token price. I don't want to worry about that, so I'll skip it. The second one is the one I'm gonna choose. Here we need to provide liquidity using our Fragmetric, and the best part is that we can withdraw our tokens anytime. The last one also looks pretty good. Here we need to deposit our Fragmetric and earn up to 17% APY. Actually, this strategy looks like the safest one, but as far as I understand, you're buying PT tokens, which are pegged to Solana. And the only risk is a possible depeg. In the pool I'm gonna select, I see an APY of up to 30%. I think it will decline over time as more people add liquidity to this pool. If you hover over it, you can see all the position multipliers and rewards. I'm gonna click Provide Liquidity, select all my Fragmetric, and add liquidity. I'll send 4.84 to 7 Fragmetric and pay a 0.005 SOL fee. Now I'll open the LP position tab. The current APY is 18.4%. My position is trading in a range from 5% to 60%. If I go outside this range, I'll stop earning points. Here I'll see my earned fees. The active ratio shows how much of my liquidity goes to the automatic market maker AMM. Right now I see that 5.855% is used by the AMM on RateX. Here is my total deposited value. And these are the details of how my liquidity is used by the market maker. If I decide to withdraw, I can do it easily. 1 day has passed, and I want to show you the results and share some important information. Take a look here. I deposited 4.84 to 7 Fragmetric, which was around 8.843, but now I see 4.842 Fragmetric, about 0.001 Fragmetric less, meaning I'm losing some of my deposited assets. If I click withdraw, I can see that it's true. I can only withdraw 4.8419 Fragmetric. Why did this happen? I asked support, and they explained that the risk of impermanent loss in this pool ranged from 0.1% to 0.5%, meaning I could lose a maximum of 0.024 Fragmetric. So here is a question for you. Are you ready to participate in this complex and somewhat risky pool or not? I'm gonna continue at least until the end of the GTO reward campaign. I'll keep an eye on my deposited funds and withdraw them if I feel something is really right. I'm gonna continue at least until the end of the GTO reward campaign. I'll keep an eye on my deposited funds and withdraw them if I feel something isn't right. I can't recommend this pool. Do your own research. I'm still participating because the boosts and rewards are big. And don't forget to subscribe if you found value in this video. Thanks for watching.